Hello everyone, my name is Efusa. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate your lot size. The reason why people are not successful in their trading is because they don't know how to calculate their lot size. For example, if for example, like if you have 10,000 account that you want to trade with, that's me right here, 10,000 account. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to use I want to risk 1% of my account, and also I'm going to put a 20 stop loss size of my that I'm going to risk, because you need to determine how much you are going to be losing before you start trading. So that's mean I'm going to trade GBP USD. So I just click calculate. So you see, in 10,000 account, I'll be risking $100. Okay, so my lot size will be 0.5. So that is it. I hope this is helpful. Bye bye.